We're going to help you bridge the gap between strategy and action by creating execution blueprints for any initiative in just a couple of clicks. Here's how it works. Start by entering your initiative goal and timeframe. As an example, let's enter create an onboarding program that reinforces core values and accelerates new hire productivity in the first 90 days. That's all Blueprint AI needs to get to work. First, it outlines the high-level steps from welcome messaging to first day setup, manager training, and follow-up check-ins, all structured to create clarity and momentum from day one. Then it fills in the communications plan, including who it's for, who the message should come from, what channels to use, and when to send each message for maximum impact. Next, it recommends the right content formats to bring it to life. Employee FAQs, manager one-pagers, videos, visual guides, even printed posters for frontline workers. Finally, it adds execution guidance with best practices, common pitfalls, and business case stats to show how onboarding impacts retention, performance, and eNPS. If you have a full Change Engine account, you can instantly start generating all of the content on brand using AI templates custom created by our in-house design team to match your brand style guide. You can then send it through any communication channel, email, Teams, Slack, or SMS, and automate journeys with triggers like employee start date, so every message lands exactly when it's needed. Blueprint AI helps you turn every idea into a plan, and every plan into results. Try creating your first blueprint and get a full execution strategy in seconds.